Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try to show you how you can fix OBS crashing and launching issues. I'll show you what I've tested myself and it worked for me. Make sure you watch it until the very end, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video without wasting a second. So the first method is you have to install DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, DirectX pretty much. So just click on the download button here and then click on save. Now open this file, yes, accept, uncheck this and click on next. I already have this installed, so I'm not gonna reinstall this again. And and now what you have to do, the next method is also have to install the latest updates. Sometimes this crashing and launching issues related to updates, so make sure you install all the updates here available, and also click on advanced options, optional updates, driver updates, and make sure here, if you have a huge list of driver updates available to install, make sure you click on check and download and install. Alright, for me that list of drivers was like super huge, a bunch of updates available for me to install, so make sure you download and install them. And now the next method, let's go to, also make sure you go to OBS, so go exactly where you have downloaded or where the app is located. Just go there to the app, right click on OBS, click on properties, compatibility, and make sure you check run this program in compatibility mode, and also disable full screen optimization, run this program as administrator. Click on now on apply and okay, and try to actually don't try to open the app right now. At the end of this video you should actually restart your computer. That's actually a better way. And now the next method, also go to allow an app through Windows Firewall, and here click on change settings. Make sure you click on change settings, and then if you can't find here OBS, and probably you won't be able to locate the app, make sure you click on allow another app, click on browse, and just go exactly where you have downloaded or where you have located OBS. Click on the app, click on add, and then you'll be able to add the app here. And once you added OBS here in this list, just make sure you go to OBS and check both of this private and public, check this boxes, just check them. And that's pretty much what you have to do. I mean, if you also have a GeForce GeForce card, NVIDIA card, just go to drivers and check for updates and make sure you have the latest updates. Usually the crashing is related to updates, but that's not actually the case for every situation. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I really hope guys you can enjoy now using the OBS app. It's powerful app, awesome app. Make sure now leave your results in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.